Hello guys. In the last video, I have shared you the lead module. So currently, I will be showing you how to update the requirement module. So from a lead, when you are getting a lead and when you are converting those into requirement, where you'll be able to update all the details of the requirement. Once you update the requirement, budget, location, and area, which area the customer is looking at. So if you click here, where you'll be able to see the matching properties for this particular requirement. So in the requirement, what all features which is available is basically you can just click here and you can share this detail to the customer through WhatsApp. So the message will go to the customer for that particular number, whatever which we have shared. The customer will start getting the message of that matching properties. This is the one feature which we have. And later you come there and you say, boss, the customer says, no, I'm not interested in this particular property. The customer will say, please suggest a locality. Example, if you say the electronic city, and if you update the radius of around 1 to 10 kilometer or 10 to 20 kilometer, automatically the system will showcase what all properties are matching for his requirement. Again, you can click select all and you can share this property details to that particular customer in a single click, where that customer will get the whatever the matching properties in depending upon the area dimension which has been selected. The next feature is based once you say the customer says, I'm looking at, let me do a site visit for this particular property, where you can create a site visit for this particular customer. And once the site visit has been created, it will show in that particular executive, whoever that property has been assigned, that executive will be able to see the requirement. So this is about a site visit module, where the executive in the executive panel, where you will be able to see the customer name, which customer we have he has to show, or which owner property which he has got. These all things which will be shown in a site visit module. We are going back to requirement because there are a lot of other features are there in the requirement, where from here you can send a message, WhatsApp message to the client, depending upon the WhatsApp template which has been added from you, from the panel, where I'll be sharing you those settings on the in a later videos, where if you want to say that I've been trying to reach, please pick the phone. So this small, even a customized message also can be sent. The customer will get that the whatever the message which you have typed in the panel, the customer will get the message, and you can interact with the customer. And from here, like example, this customer, if you want to transfer this customer, you can just select all this requirement and you can select everything. Like example, you want to select first 4 customers, check all, and you can just go there and down, and you can just transfer this leads, and you'll be able to see the history of this particular requirement. You can transfer folder wise, you can do action, you can go to export this all this data, send SMS. These all things can be done from the requirement. So let's come to the requirement, this one, where you'll be able to see all leads. If you have a team, entire team, you'll be able to see the entire team, all requirements. And my requirement is basically which has been assigned to me, which will be under my assignment. And today's follow-up, whatever the requirements are there, it will show in the today's follow-up requirement. Backlog is something which has been pending, which has not been done a follow-up. So these all requirements, it will be shown in the backlog report. This module is basically for executives, where the telecaller will call from the lead module, and requirement module is for the field sales executive. And the other modules like site visit module, once you convert those requirements into site visit, where the executive will be able to see whatever the property which has been assigned to him, the you'll be able to see the property, which client you want to visit and which location. All this panel will be shown in the visit module, where the executive can update the follow-up when the customer is asked to call, or you can change the status if the customer is qualified, disqualified, or interested, whatever the remarks you want to put. The entire history will be shown in the history module. This is about the requirement and the site visit module, and I'll be connecting with you with other modules in a separate video. Thank you.